Hello. In the given problem, mass and radius of the bigger disk 9m and radius is r. Bigger disk. First of all, draw the bigger disk. Bigger disk. Mass of bigger disk 9m. Radius of bigger disk capital R. Okay, and radius is capital R. Another smaller disk of radius r by 3, and the distance between the center of both the disk is 2r by 3. 2r by 3. So first of all, calculate the moment of inertia of bigger disk. Bigger disk. It is represented by IB 9 mr square divided by 2. Equation number first. Now calculate the moment of inertia of a smaller disk. First of all, find out the mass of the smaller disk. We know that sigma equals to kg upon meter square. That means 9m upon pi r square for bigger disk. Bigger disk. For bigger disk, consider surface mass density sigma for removal part plus sigma as well as minus sigma. Overall 0 because this part is removal. So for easiest process, consider minus sigma. For smaller disk, minus sigma m2 pi radius of smaller. Got it. m2 equals to minus sigma pi r square by 9. Pi r square by 9. Equation number third. Equation number third. So put the value from equation second to equation third. m2 equals to minus 9m pi r square into pi r square divided by 9. Cancel out. So mass of a smaller disk equals to minus m. Equation number 4. Equation number 4. Now calculate the moment of inertia of smaller disk. Is moment of inertia of the smaller disk if the axis is passing through the center of mass of the smaller disk and the radius is r by 3. So m2 r by 3 ka whole square divided by 2, and the distance between the bigger disk 2r by 3. So using a parallel axis theorem, m2 distance between the center of the disk 2r by 3 ka whole square. So moment of inertia of a smaller disk is equals to minus mr squared by 18 minus m 4r square by 9. So overall 18 minus mr square minus mr square 8 mr square. So finally 9 mr square by 18. Equation number 5. So net moment of inertia I bigger minus I smaller because smaller disk is removal. So put the values. IB 9 mr square by 2 minus 9 mr square by 18. So LCM is 18. 9 mr square कॉमन, 9 माइनस में 1, सो आई नेट इक्वल्स टू mr स्क्वायर कैंसिल बाई 2 टाइम्स, इनटू में 8 1 4, सो फाइनल मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया आई नेट इक्वल्स टू 4 mr square. I hope this question is now more clear. Thank you.